Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all check it out. I made up some more of my little bat buddies. Some Batarangs. I played with these things last time I made them. I thought it was pretty cool, so I had to make a few more. Had quite a few people ask about them. So I just made up a few extras just in case. I'm gonna try this out and then tell you what I'm gonna do with them. There we go. One. Two. It was stuck by its freaking tail. Shit. One more time. Let's do this one once more. Oh, once more just for the hell of it since it fell out. There it is. Now here's this one. Alright, fuck it. Yep. I got it a couple times. Alright, now I'm going to tell you what I plan on doing with these. Now, like I said, I had a few people asking me about these, but for the amount of work that I have in these damn things, y'all, I make these with a belt sander and an angle grinder. That's a lot of detail. It's a lot of time. And for the amount of money that I'd have to have for these, I just don't think anybody would buy them. If you don't want them, you know, don't do it. But what I was kind of thinking is maybe doing a raffle. I've heard a little bit about those things. I don't know if it'd be worth it to you, but I'm kind of thinking maybe a $5 chance. Each $5 will get you one chance at winning one of these. And after a certain amount of time, or after the amount that's in my head is met, or maybe both or something, I don't know. I don't really know what to do yet. But after that, do a drawing. I think $5 is a fair price. Unless you lose. Then you just fucking lost. You just lost $5. But hey, it's going to a worthy cause. The Jerry Fund. There's Woodshop Fund. Plus it's a cool little piece to play with. And it's not meant to be a weapon. Just saying that, just in case I need to. Even though you could probably use it as one if you could throw it right, which I can't. But y'all let me know what you think, and I'll let you know what I'm going to do this Sunday on my live stream. So see you later.